What's up, guys? Welcome to another piano lesson. I know it's been such a long time since I last posted, but I'm back. So expect piano lessons every single week from this channel. And if this is your first time joining us, welcome. Subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos just like this one. Well, in today's lesson, we'll be studying something very simple. I believe every single piano player should know this feel. You may have heard it, but today we're going to put a little bit of twist on it so you see what's really going on. If you're ready, let's get right into the lesson. Alright, so basically you have this simple feel which goes something like this. Alright, I'll demonstrate how this goes with a simple chord progression like the key of C, the 1, the 5, the 6 and 4. So the C, the G, A minor, F. Alright, with this simple chord progression, the step 1, this is the first level of this feel where you use something called the grace notes, right? So it works over the minor chord as well. I usually like to play this over the major chords, right? So you're basically doing a grace note. You start by playing something like this. With the major chord, you play with the second. So it's a sus2 chord. You play the sus2 chord to the major. So, and if you do it fast enough, it results in this, right? So, and then to the 5, the G, we'll leave the 6 like that, and then we go to the 4. So anytime you meet a major chord, you can do this. I suggest you go up the major scale playing this on all major chords, right? Right? Try and go up all the entire scale doing this so that you can do this in every single key. Now, so this is the first step. Let's play a simple song using this first step. I'll try and see if I can get a loop in here and we can attempt this, right? All right, so simple song, right? So I'm attempting to play the song there. All right, excellent. So now let's see. So this is the first level. Just a simple feel of playing this grace note. Now, what can we take? Where can we take this to? You can add extra notes after you play this feel. So you can play after you play this. It's a melody that hits the 3rd. You can hit the 5 or the 1 or the 2. So if you hit the 5, it would sound like this, right? So if I take this through the simple chord progression, you have we'll keep the 6 like that. Then all right, so the same chord progression now becomes right. So you see, it doesn't take so much to actually play amazing sounding embellishment. This is a very simple feel. So just to not make it boring, now we can take the same instead of hitting the 5 after the grace note, we do we can do So then it's going to sound like it. Right? Or I like this one. So this is like a, you hit the third and then you play the second. So same thing. Then, all right. So let's try it. One. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna play one where I target. I hit the 5 after I do this fill, and another one where I hit the 3, the 2. Another one where I hit the 1, or sometimes I may not hit at all. So let's try this with a loop once again and see how it goes. Right. Now what I'm doing here as well, I'm doing something here where after I play the chord, I just I like to do this feel is also really important and quite nice. Very simple, works with pop music, worship music, gospel music. Anywhere you take this will work. So you have this on any major chord, you just try to play an arpeggio of the one of that same chord. So if I play the 1, now it sounds a lot better when you do it on the sus2. I know some people try to do the major in this of the 1 3 5. To be honest, it sounds too obvious, and because it's a basic triad, right? 1 3 5. It sounds very obvious. I recommend you play the 1 2 and 5. All right. So Alright, so I'm gonna play. I'll play it in the key of C, and this same chord progression 1 5 6 4. I'll play in the key of C, possibly play it in the key of C sharp, and then do it in F and F sharp with the same concept, right? So let's go. If you want to play, just play along with me, and let's use this simple but amazing feel in this one. Okay. C sharp. Let's go to F. Let's play along with the song. Last key, F sharp. right? I think we are good on this one. So just take your time, practice this in as many keys as possible. I use a simple chord progression 1 5 6 4, but this can apply to any song you already know that has the 1 chord, 5 chord, 4 chord. And this, trust me, in every single song that you take, you are bound to find a major chord in there. It may be minor chords that will work as well, right? So if you found this useful, subscribe to this channel, and I'll definitely see you in the next lesson.